how to fix Xbox black screen of death. So this screen is saying this for a long or periodically time. Now, my Xbox has been working yesterday, and now it's doing this. This is pretty stupid. I've been trying to fix this Xbox for the last 3-4 days, and nothing has ever worked, How to fix this? Tell me. See, now it's on the screen. Now it says system error. I don't know why. Hopefully they can't hack me for this. Please help me. I need your help so bad. Before it was at the green screen, it used to stay there, then it used to load for a long time, and sometimes it probably would work. And now it's this. Please help me. Please.